Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on microcontroller tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you another amazing platform for doing online simulation for our Arduino based projects. So this website is called TinkerCAD, and TinkerCAD is basically from AutoDesk. They have built an amazing platform for doing online simulation for your electronics as well as microcontroller based projects. So in this video we'll demonstrate how we can use this platform to do our simulations online. So let's get started. You'll first need to get into this website. The website link is www.tinkercad.com. Once you get into this page, the website landing page looks like this. Here you can explore their different features. They are offering 3D designing, they are offering virtual simulation, drag and drop like coding interface they have provided here. Also they have added many demonstration projects for your learning. So you can explore all of these features when you get into this website. I will be showing you how we can use TinkerCAD software for using some basic LED projects in this demonstration. If you are a new user at this website, you will need to first sign up. Once you click this, here you can see they are asking you whether you are an educator or a student. So I am an educator. Start here. If you are a student, then you should go for the student option. Agree. Then you can sign up with your email, or you can use your Google or Apple ID to log into this website. I'll log in with my Google account. I'm using one of my Google institutional account to log into this website. Well, once you pass this login, such interface will appear. Here you can create a new class if you are an educator. If you are a student, you can join a class using the invitation link or the class code. On the right hand side, you have your profile icon. Here you can see there is an option for new design and also an option for my design. So once you have created a design, if you save them into the cloud, it will appear under this my design. So let's click on this new design first, and what type of design you want to create. They are providing three features right now: 3D design, circuit building, and code blocks. So I will be going with circuit. So the circuit building interface looks like this. Here you can see on the left hand side there is a blank canvas where you can drag and drop components, and the component list is on the right hand side. Here you can see they have basic components. Under the basic components they have a lot of preloaded components here. They have also Arduino boards. Different type of Arduino examples are already built in this template. They have microbit and circuit assemblers. So for now I will go with basic. Let's build a project from scratch. I will bring in the Arduino Uno first at the canvas. So this sort of device, we are very well known with this sort of board. We all have worked with this Arduino Uno if you are working with microcontroller. So let's say we have two LED and we want to blink them in alternate manner. So for that reason we'll need two LED and two resistor in series for those LED. Let's bring those two LEDs here. So this LED, this is the red one. If you want to change the color, you can do so by clicking on this LED first, then it will bring windows like this. From here you can choose the color of this LED. Let's choose green for this one, and let's bring another LED. This LED, let us keep it red. Now we also need two resistors to be connected in series. Let's bring in one. You can mention the resistance value here. Let's say we want 220 ohm resistance. You can copy this for the second one. Well, now let's connect these components with our microcontroller. This LED, they have two types of terminal. These are LED stands for light emitting diode. So this actually works as diode principle. It has plus terminal, which is anode, and it has minus terminal, which is cathode. So we need to put positive voltage on this anode and negative or ground voltage on this cathode side. And these LEDs, if they are 5mm LEDs, they have a forward voltage like 3.5 volt. You cannot give more than 3.5 volt across these terminals. If you do so, the LED will burn out. So that's why we are using resistor in series with this LED to drop that voltage, and the voltage we will get from this Arduino, it will be around 5 volt. So let's connect this green LED with 9 number pin of Arduino and connect it to ground. Let's connect this second LED with pin 8. So here you can see we have connected this green LED at 9 and red LED at 8. And what we want to do, we want to do an alternative lighting for these two LEDs. So now it is time to code this program in our TinkerCAD. If you want to bring in the coding interface, you need to click on this code button on the right hand side of the windows. Let's click on this, and you can see here they are bringing block mode coding interface. But if you are working with Arduino programming, like which is based on C programming, for that reason you will need to bring in the text mode of coding. So this will bring up the basic codes for already preloaded basic codes for this program. Let's delete them and do this from scratch. When we are working with our Arduino, we have basically two types of function. The first one is void setup, which actually runs once in the whole operation of Arduino. So in this void setup, we need to put the configurations of this program. Like in this demonstration, we are using two pins, 8 number pins and 9 number pins for our output. So we need to mention that in this void setup. We can do so by using pin mode, then mention the pin number like the number 8, and we want to use it as output. Don't forget to keep the statement closed by semicolon. Let's copy this and do the second one. Number 9 pin, we also want to use it as output. So this is void setup. Next we need another function block, which is void loop. So this void loop, whatever we put here, it will get executed repeatedly. So we need to put our main code here. What we want to do, we want to turn on this LED first. At that moment this red LED will go down or turn off, and once this red LED turn on, this green LED will turn off. So there will be a turning on and off alternate motion between these two LED. So let's do this. For that reason we will use digital write, and we want to blink the 9 pin first. Let's make it high, and at the same time, at the same moment, we want to make the red LED go down. So that's why we will put here low. Let's put in delay function with millisecond. So this delay function holds the number here, which is in millisecond. 500 milliseconds means half of a second. So it will keep the green LED on and red LED off for 500 millisecond. After that we want to do the alternate. Let's copy them and paste it here. We now want to do it in alternate manner. Again we want to make a delay. The delay would be around 500 millisecond. So this is all for the coding for this sort of blinking effect. Now once we have completed our programming at this text window, we need to go for start simulation. Let's press this one, and it is initializing. You can see a beautiful effect here, which is a red green light blinking alternating effect. So this is how we can build many other circuits using TinkerCAD. For this demonstration, this is all. In the upcoming video, we'll cover some more advanced programming features using TinkerCAD. So for now, tata.